Dear students, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 2, Polynomials, exercise 2.5, question number 8. Factorize each of the following. Factorize each of the following. First question is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This is over a function. This is equation written as a f. Now this is a equation using cubic term with plus. So we will write a formula. X plus y cube, which is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy and x plus y. This is x cube, y cube, then there are common of 3. We will separate here 3. The function is 8. Which cube is 8? 2 cube is 8. So this is over 2a cube. 2 cube is 8a cube. Then b cube. Then we will take common 3. By taking 3 as a common part, this is over 4a square b plus 2ab square. This is our equation. Now when we are taking 3 as a common part, take x and y common. X is 2a, y is b. Now we are taking common 2a and b. 2a cube plus b cube plus 3. First of all, we are taking common 2a. Now taking common 2, this is 2. Taking a as a common part, this is over a. Then b plus taking 2a as a common part, this is over b square. Taking 2a as a common, when we dividing 2ab, by dividing 2a cancel, b square. Now we take x as a common. Now taking y as a common, y is b. Now taking b as a common, 2a cube, b cube, 3, 2a. Now taking b as a common, dividing by b, remaining part is 2a, dividing by b, then b. By comparing with formula, x cube, y cube, 3x, x is 2a, y means b, x plus y, 2a plus b. So x is 2a, y is b. The solution is x plus y cube. So solution is 2a plus b cube. This is our first question. Now I am taking the second one. Given equation written as f is equal to 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. This is our equation. Here is cubic term, x cube, y cube, and minus. So using formula x minus y cube, solution is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and x minus y. Now I am making this equation in this format. X cube 8, 2 cube is 8, so this is over 2a cube, then b cube, then taking minus 3 as a common, taking minus 3 as a common part. When we are taking common 3 minus, then this will be plus 4 a square b. When we taking minus common, the plus will be converted into minus, because minus into minus plus. Now taking 3 as a common, this will be 2a b square, 2a cube minus b cube minus 3. Now taking x as a common, x is 2a. Now we are taking 2a common. When we take 2a common, dividing by 2a, this is 2ab. Taking 2a common, minus b square, minus b square. Now taking y as a common, y is b. Now taking b common, 2a cube minus b cube minus 3 2a. Now taking b common, 2a minus b. Now comparing the equation with our formula. By comparing with formula, the answer of formula is x minus y cube, 2a minus b cube. This is our solution. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now next one is part third. The third part. The given equation f is equal to 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. This is our equation. Cube, a cube, this is 5 cube, this is 3 cube, cubic equation with minus. So formula is x minus y cube, x cube, y cube minus 3xy, x minus y. This is our equation. This is our formula. Now converting the equation in this formula. First of all, x cube, this is our 3 cube, y cube, this is our 5, then a cube. 5 cube is 125, a cube. Now next is we are taking common minus 3. Minus 3, taking minus 3 as a common. First of all, minus will be taken, dividing by 3. Dividing by 3. 4 times 12, remaining is 1, remainder is 1, then 15, 15, 5 times, then 8. Now first of all, taking minus as a common, so this will be minus, because minus into minus plus. Now dividing by 3, 7 times 15, 5 times, then a square. Now taking x and y as a common, the x is 3. First of all, we will take 3 as a common part. 3 cube minus 5a cube minus 3, we are taking 3 as a common. Taking 3 as a common, this will be 15a. Taking 3 as a common, 2 times 5 times a square. This is our equation. Now we will take common as a x. Now y is 5a. Taking 5a as a common, 3 cube minus 5a cube minus 3, 3. Now 5a, taking 5a as a common, dividing by 5a, this is over 3, dividing by 5a, this is 5a. By comparing with formula. The answer of formula is x minus y cube. So this is x and this is y. So solution is x minus y whole cube. This is our answer. Now attending next one. The fourth one. Given equation is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. A cube, b cube with minus. The formula is x minus y cube. Answer is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and x minus y. This is our formula. Now converting the equation in the formula term. X cube 64. The which term have cubic equation is 64. 4 cube. 4a cube. 4 cube is 64. A cube 27. This is 3. So 3b cube. 3 cube is 27b cube. Now taking minus 3 as a common. Only minus 3 will taken as a common part. Dividing by 3. First of all, minus will be taken common. Now dividing by 3. 4 times, then 8 times. Taking minus as a common. So this will be minus, because minus into minus plus. Now dividing by 3. 3 times, 6 times. Then ab square. In next step, taking x as a common means taking 4a as a common. 4a cube minus 3b cube minus 3. Now 4a as a common. Dividing by 4. 1 time, 2 time. Now dividing by a, b. Dividing by 4a. 9 times, a and a cancel. This is our b square. We will take x as a common. Now taking y as a common. Y is 3b. Now taking 3b is common. 4a cube minus 3b cube minus 3 4a. Now b is y is 3b. 3b taking common. Dividing by 3. 4 times, b and b cancel, a. Dividing by 3. 3 dividing by b. 4a minus 3b. Now comparing by formula. By comparing with formula. The answer of formula is x minus y cube. X minus y. 4a minus 3b cube. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is part 5. The fifth part. Given function is 27 p cube 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. 3 p cube 1 upon 216. Who is 216? Which cube is 216? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube is 216. So 216 is 6 cube. Here is p cube, 6 cube, x cube, y cube with minus sign. So formula is x minus y cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy and x minus y. First term 27p cube, this is over 3p cube. The second one is 216, which is 6 cube, so 1 by 6 cube. 1 cube is 1, 6 cube is 216. Now next one, taking minus 3 as a common, minus 3 as a common. First of all, minus will be taken common, 3 take a common, 3 by 2p square, this is minus 3 as a common part. Now taking minus as a common, minus. Now dividing by 3, there are no 3, so 1, 4, 3, 4 into 3, 12. When we dividing by 3, this is 1 by 12, then p. Taking minus 3 as a common, dividing by 3, 3 will be cancelled 3 times, then 3 by 2 p square, 3 by 2 p square. Now dividing by 3, there are no 3, so 1, 3 into 4, 12. This is our term. Then next one, taking x as a common, who is x? X is 3p. Now we will take 3p as a common, 3p cube minus 1 by 6 cube minus 3. Now taking 3p common, dividing by 3p, dividing by 3p, 3 will be cancelled, so 1 by 2, dividing by p, this is our p. Now dividing by 3, p and p will be cancelled. Now dividing by 3, 12, 3. This is over 3 into 12, 36. Now taking x as a common, then taking y as a common, y is 1 by 6, so we are taking 1 by 6 as a common, 3p cube minus 1 by 6 cube minus 3, 3p, then 1 by 6. Taking 1 by 6 as a common, dividing by 1 by 6, dividing by 1 by 6, this is our 1 by 2p dividing by 1 by 6, 1 by 6. There are first and fourth term in same type and second and third at same. The numerator term is 1 and 4, denominator is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are denominator, 1 and 4 are numerator. So 6 will be moved up. This will be 6p divided by 2 and 1, 2 dot 1. 2 into 1 is 2, 3. So answer is 3p. So answer is 3p. Now in second, this is over 1 by 36. Now dividing with 1 by 6. The first and fourth are numerator, second and third are denominator. So 6 will be moved up. 6 upon, this is over 36. 1 time, 6 time. They can cut each other 1 time and 6 time. So this will be 1 by 6. Now by comparing with formula, x cube, x is 3p, then 3p cube, y is 1 by 6, minus 3, this is x, this is y, x minus y. The solution is x minus y cube. Then the given equation solution is x minus y cube. This is our solution. Let's take beginning from this. The fifth part is given equation is 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2 p square plus 1 by 4 p. Here is p cube, so we will find Which number having cube is 216? 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216. The 6 cube, here is 6 cube, so 1 by 6. 27 is 3, now 3p cube, this is 6, 1 by 6 cube. Now taking minus 3 as a common, taking minus 3 as a common, when dividing by 3, this will be 3 by 2 p square, 3 by 2 p square. Taking minus as a common, so this will be minus. Now dividing by 3, the 3 and 4 is 12, this is over 12p. Taking minus 3 as a common. Now next is taking x as a common. Who is x? X is 3p. Now taking 3p as a common, dividing by 3p, 3 and 3 cancel, p and p cancel, so p upon 2, p upon 2, dividing by 3p, p and p cancel, 3, 12, 36, this is over 36. Now taking y as a common, y is, who is y? 1 by 6, 1 by 6 as a common, dividing, this is p by 2 dividing by 1 by 6, p by 2 dividing by 1 by 6. We know that first and fourth are the numerator and second and third are denominator, so 6 will be goes up. This is 6p, 6p, 2 into 1, 2, so we can cut this, 3p, solution is 3p. By dividation we get solution is 3p. Now second one, when we dividing this, 1 by 36 divide by 1 by 6, first and fourth are numerator, second and third are denominator, so denominator is 36, numerator is 6, 6 upon 36. We can cut this by 6, 1 time, 6 time, the solution is 1 by 6, the solution is 1 by 6. Now comparing with the formula, x is 3p, y is 1 by 6, solution is x minus y, so 3p minus 1 by 6 cube. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 9. Verify these. Verify means we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. These equations are formula. You have to learn it. These equations are formula. We are attending first question in right hand side. X plus y. This is our left hand side and this is our right hand side. So we first attending right hand side. This is our equation. Now we are opening the bracket. X into bracket, then y into bracket, x into bracket and y into bracket. X into x square, x cube, x square y, x y square. Here is x square into y square minus x y square, y square y cube, x square y, these will be cancelled because these are in opposite sign. These are the same terms in opposite sign, so these will be cancelled. Right hand side is x cube plus y cube, so right hand side is equal to left hand side, hence proved. Now taking second one, this equation, right hand side is equal to x minus y multiply x square plus xy plus y square. Opening the bracket, x will multiply the bracket minus y will multiply the bracket, x multiply x square plus xy plus y square. Now minus y multiply the bracket, minus y into x square plus xy plus y square, x into x square, x cube, x into x square, x into y square, x y square, x square y with minus, minus into plus minus, minus x square y, minus into plus, minus y into y square, plus into minus, minus y into y square, y cube, x square y plus minus, so these cancel, xy square plus and minus, so these terms are cancelled. The remaining terms is x cube minus y cube, which is our left hand side. The right hand side answer gives x cube minus y cube, which equal to left hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. You can take a screenshot of this. The next question will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.